Hi, I'm Matt. You've been exploring bubbles and how to make the best possible bubble wand. Make a bubble wand with me following these instructions. There are lots of different ways that you can make bubble wands. Here's some easy ones. Option 1. A pipe cleaner bubble wand. All you need is to take a pipe cleaner like this and bend one end into a circle, triangle or heart. Twist the end of the shape back into the stem so it holds firmly. Leave the rest of the pipe cleaner as the handle. You could also take a second pipe cleaner and make that handle longer by twisting them together. You can then dip your shape into the bubble mixture and lift it out slowly and gently. You can then blow or wave it around. The second option. You'll need some wire and straws for this. First, you'll need to cut a thin piece of crafting wire, about 20 to 25 centimeters long. Again, form a loop at one end. Then you twist the wire to secure the shape. You then thread the straight end of the wire through a drinking straw, and this will make a very handy and comfortable handle. Bend the end of the wire to stop it from sliding out, and then dip it in and test it. Your third option is to use some string and sticks. You can tie a piece of string between two sticks to create a long loop. If you need to, you can add a paper clip or washer to the bottom of the loop as a weight to help to open the hole. Fill a tray with bubble mixture and dip the entire string loop in. If you lift it slowly and walk backwards, you can create some truly giant bubbles. And there you have it. 3 simple ways to create your own bubble wands. I wonder what kind of bubbles that you can create. Maybe you can have a go making square bubbles. Would that work? Let us know how you get on. We'd love to hear how you did.